And this Gigaman power supply here now. We now end up changing this little IC here. And the TV come back on real good. But we seen one problem on the board, boy. Seeing all these cool soldering joints here. All them soldering joints and them cool. All of them. See that black spot on your little ring? Because the pin separating from the soldering. Right? That is a major problem with this thing, but what all this say? It's like it on solder. Wow. Real cool soldering joints, especially by the IC on them. Bad cool soldering joints. Right? Try to power up this TV here. Just now, all you're gonna see this TV power up. We really make no video with this, but that's the problem with it. We just change out. We change out all the main capacitors on them. All of them. See all these tall one here? That is why I install here. All the tallish one on them. So we take off most of the main capacitors and then from this TV. Right, so we're going to finish reflow it. We're going to finish reflow it. And we will power it up and all you will see that. Proper thing, right? Proper thing. Right, so Gigaman go give you an insight of what we are doing. See these cold soldering joints in them here? These cold soldering joints. So you can see how we just deal with that? Okay. So when you're doing work for people, make sure you're doing good work for people. Okay? Do not leave their TV. Alright, do not leave their TV like that. If it is fixed TV, solder back them cold soldering joints because people will end up in the same problem. This work is for a lady from Sentence. Alright? She from Sentence. So big up yourself, lady. From Sentence, big up yourself. Right? We really wasn't going to do any videos and thing, but we just decided to do a little video with this work because this is when the TV lasts real long and you have it for long. That is what has happened. And the TV will turn off whenever it's ready to turn off because these soldering joints will get hot while the TV is on. Within half an hour time, the TV will cut off and come back on. You will swear something wrong with the TV, but nothing wrong with the TV. It's cold soldering joints. That's what has caused that problem. So now that thing is coming back nice, the joints in them, yep, the TV will work better. And it would not cut off within half an hour or nothing like that. So this here is proper work. Proper work by the Gigaman. Proper work. Alright. I hope you all seeing that. Alright, and I want to see this side here. See this part here? Really, really bad. Sure, that close. See that part there? Really, really bad. See now them joints and them crack up there? Really bad. See how that looking? That is really bad at all. Especially them in the corner right here. See where my finger is here? See them here? Them need attention. Yeah. So that how the work is. Sometimes it's more time to reflow this than changing a part, because you can't reflow this hurry. And something touch together. And you so hurry that you end up making it worse than it was. So this shop, Jiggerman shop, is not to do anything worse. Gonna make it TV better. Alright, so we will get back to all when we finish do all the resoldering and we install it back on the TV. We will get back to all. Well, we think the board ready to go back in that thing now. So we do over all the cold soldering joints. We look in 100 proper thing, new capacitors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 new capacitors. Yep, proper. Alright. Nothing didn't happen to the bottom more than resoldering. So he's going to hook back up this now on the TV now and see how this TV is working. Alright, so we'll get back to all on that. Alright, so here we back again. We mount back the power supply. So he's going to turn on the TV now to see. Just now, Baba. He's going to turn on the TV now to see what's taking place. What? And we see lights, proper thing. Okay, let me see if we see a little picture or something. Okay. Oh yes. So we see picture, right? So we will close up this TV, put it back in the case, and we will get back to all with this work. Alright, so here we mount back the TV and everything, so everything looking proper. We're going to unplug it on now. Let's see how we work do, what we do. Proper thing, man. You see what I see that flicking power supply board is the board that really important. Every pin on a power supply in the bottom is important because something it's doing, right? Something that power supply doing to every single part of the main board too, right? So that is why the reflowing part of the soldering is very important. Alright, so we get through with it. Right, so we're gonna connect up to Jiggerman Tech Limited internet there. I don't know why this coming up on the TV, but I don't know if it's so it is now, but you know, I think that's how it is, man. That's the keypad here, that's the keypad. So he's going to type in my password there now. Let's see what is going on with that power supply on them. Them power supply on them, they're making them like how they used to make them before. With thick PCB board and thing. Just making them kind of cheap kind of way. But anyhow, beside the TV there, we still want to share something with all you. We had a tornado last night in my arrow side. Me I see it on the news, me I see nothing about that at all on TikTok, nothing. But I had a tornado in my arrow last night. I don't want to be side there. Like that area there. See that area with that hill up there? That come from on that side. And got that spin out people roof and thing last night. You see how deadly that was, eh? Wow. But anyhow, we are going to see something important so on TikTok early in the morning, where you will see a set of crap on TikTok early morning. You know? Wow. Anyhow, so if you look up on the news, or you go see something about that Miaro side. I had a freaking tornado last night, but I didn't come by me last night here. And I think really give on that telling you. Yeah? But anyhow, so that's it for the TV there, right? Big man thing. So let's see that TV don't need fixing at all, more than the filters and the reflowing at the underneath of the board. That is most important. Right? So proper thing.